Good morning children. How are you? Hope you all are safe at home and engaging with your works. Children, did you remember what is our previous lesson? What is our previous lesson? Gully's box of things. In that lesson, we learnt about a small boy Gully and his special box. With that special box, how did he help his family? How did he solve his family problems? Everything we learned. Even we learned the textual grammar also. Okay. Now shall we start our next lesson? Okay. Before starting this lesson, I am going to tell a story about a 16 years old boy who noticed that number of snakes were died because lack of shade. In that connection, what work he started to protect the animals. Everything we are going to learn briefly in this lesson. Okay, today's our lesson name is Jadav and the tree place. What is our lesson name? Jadav and the tree place. See, this lesson written by Vinayak Varma. Vinayak Varma. That means the writer of this lesson is Vinayak Varma. Writer of this lesson is Vinayak Varma. What is the meaning of writer? Writer means nothing but a person who writes stories and novels is called a writer or author. What is the meaning of writer? A person who writes stories or novels is called a writer or author. That means the author of this Jadav and the tree place is Vinayak Varma. Did you clear? Okay. Children, most of the lessons are imaginary. In fact, those are not real. But coming to this lesson, this is the real story of a person who belongs to Mezulai Island in Assam. Now, shall we go to read the lesson? Come on. Mezulai in Assam is the largest river island in the world. It lies in the river Brahmaputra. The island is covered by the Molai forest. It was planted by Jadav pine, whose nickname is Molai. Jadav started planting trees on the island in 1979 and plant them to this day. Now shall we take new words from this lesson? From this paragraph, new words. Mezulai, M-A-J-U-L-I, Mezulai, I-S-L-A-N-D, island, B-R-A-H-M ब्रह्मपुत्र MOLAI मोलाई JADAVPAYENG Jadav Pine. Children, why we are writing PAYENG? But while we are pronouncing, we should pronounce pine only. We should not pronounce the G. Okay? Jadav Pine. Nickname. 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 These are the new words which we can take out from this para. Okay, let's we start to learn meanings of these words. Meanings, come on, see. Island. What is the meaning of island? Island means nothing but a place of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. What is the meaning of island? Nothing but a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. Is called island. Next, forest. Already I told you, while we are writing the meanings, we have to keep equal to mark only. Understand? Forest. A land which is covered with trees. What is the meaning of forest? A land which is covered with trees. A land which is covered with trees. Next one. Nickname. Nickname. See, anytime that you listen this word nickname, see what is nickname? Generally, we are using some pet names instead of original names. Those are called nicknames. So nickname means nothing but pet name of a person. Generally, you all having your own names. Raju, Suresh, Venkat, Veerbhadra, something. But instead of those names, your parents call you Pandu, Babu, Chitti. These are called the nicknames. Okay, these are the meaning of this lesson. Next, shall we start framing some own sentences with using these words? Own sentences. Island. Andaman, Nicobar, Islands are in Bay of Bengal. What is that? Island. Andaman Nicobar Islands. Already you learnt in your social lesson. Andaman Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal. Next name. Next word. Forest. Forest. Mada forest. It is very near forest to our city, right? Did you listen anytime this word Mada forest? Mada forest is famous for black and white vulture. Black and white vulture. Vulture, what is vulture? It's a one type of preying bird. That means the bird which eats flesh of other animals. So, forest. Mada forest is famous for black and white vulture. Nickname. Next word. Nickname. My sisters. Nickname is Pinky. See, what is first one? Island. Andaman Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal. Second word, forest. Mada forest is famous for black and white vulture. Third one, nickname. My sisters. Sisters. That means possessiveness, not plural. My sisters. Nickname is Pinky. My sister's nickname is Pinky. These are the own sentences we can by this para. I did some of the own sentence. For this example, you have to try 2 number of sentences. Okay, children? Then I am going to give brief explanation. Listen carefully. Missoula in Assam is the largest river island in the world. Children, generally we can notice islands in seas only. Seas only. Whereas coming to this Missoula island, it is located between the river. What is that river? River Brahmaputra. Not only that, this Missoula island is world's largest island. Not only in our country, it is the largest island in the world. What is that? That island name is Missoula. Missoula. It is located in the state Assam. See, what is our state? Andhra Pradesh. Like that, this island is located in the state Assam. In what river? In river Brahmaputra. This Missoula island is located in the river Brahmaputra in Assam. In Assam. See, in fact it is island, but coming to now it becomes as a forest. See that line. This island is covered by Malay forest. What forest? Malay forest. Children, do you know what is island? It is a land which is covered with sand. In fact, the islands are not having any trees. But coming to this Mesulai island, at present, this island turns as a forest. How did it become as a forest? Now I am going to tell you. It was planted by Jadhav Payne. It was planted by Jadhav Payne. Jadhav Payne. Who changed this island into forest? Nothing but that is only Jadhav Payne. In your words we learned no Jadhav Payne. Okay. Whose nickname is Malay. This Jadhav's Payne nickname only Malay. So, this Mesulai island which is covered with forest, this forest was, what is that? See, in fact this Mesulai is an island, but at present in this island we can see a big forest. What is that forest name? Malay forest. See, why do we call this as a Malay forest? Because this forest was planted by Jadhav Payne, who has the nickname Malay. So, this forest planted by Jadhav Payne, that is why this forest is renamed as Malay forest. Okay, Jadhav started planting trees on the island in 1979 and plants them to this day. 1979. From when did he start? In 1979. That means nearly 40 years, more than 40 years. This is 2020 now. So, he started planting trees in 1979. Still he is going on that work only. That means he is continuing that work more than 40 years. How many years, children? 40 years. So, that is what this Mesulai island becomes as a Malay forest. It's not a simple thing to turn an island into forest. Even we can't grow 1 or 2 plants in front of our house. But this Jadhav Payne did this work, that much dedication. Still he is continuing on that work only from 40 years. 40 years. So it's not a simple thing. Okay. See what he did. Why he made this island into forest? Everything. What changed him to turn this island into forest? Everything we are going to learn. One day, 16 years old, Jadhav Payne was walking along the bank of the Brahmaputra. He reached a big empty place with no trees. It was hot and dry. The sand was powdery and striped. One day what happened, I told you, no, this is the story of a boy who belongs to the Mesulai island. One day what happened? Jadhav Payne walking in that, what is it, hot and dry sand, powdery sand. There he walks along with the bank of river. He walks along with the bank of river Brahmaputra. What they identify there, what he observed there, now we are going to see. Striped sand. How could sand be striped? Jadhav went closer. The ground was covered with snakes. The flood had brought them to the banks. Okay. Now shall we take some more new words from this para? Come on. Banks. Stripe. Flat. See, bank. Bank means about a land beside the river. A land side of the river. Stripe. A narrow lines. These are the stripes. Generally we use it for this word. Striped shirt, striped frock, everything. No, striped means nothing but lines, narrow lines. Flood. When a lot of water covers the dry land. Okay, these are the meanings and new words we can see in this para. Okay, now I am going to explain briefly. One day, 16 years old Jadhav Pine was walking along the bank of the Brahmaputra. He reached a big empty place with no trees. See, already we learned about Jadhav Pine. He is walking along with the bank of river Brahmaputra. That means side of the river Brahmaputra. He reached a big empty place with no trees. While he walking, he reached to some of the place. That place is completely empty. Even he didn't notice a single tree also. Okay, it was hot and dry. Obviously, when there is no trees, that area seems very hot and dry. The sand was powdery and striped. How the sand? Generally, sand seems powdery. That means non-sticky. Even he noticed that sand with stripes. How is the sand? It is plain and smooth. Whereas he noticed that sand is with stripes. So he got it out. From where this sand get the stripes? So he went to a little forward. There he observed. What he observed? See, striped sand. How could sand be striped? Jadhav got a doubt. Why? Sand means automatically it's a smooth surface. Then this sand, how did it get the stripe? Jadhav went somewhat closer. The ground was covered with snakes. When he went to a little bit forward, he noticed that complete sand was covered with number of snakes. The flood had brought them to the bank. See, flood. Anytime did you listen this word? Flood means what? The big flow of water. Generally, it happens in the rivers. Like that, because of flood in Brahmaputra, these all snakes came to that river bank. Okay. The snakes did not hiss or move or try to bite Jadhav. Hiss. What is the meaning of hiss? It is the sound which is made by snakes. The snakes are not hissing. That means they were died. Or move or try to bite Jadhav when when he went to near the snakes, even those snakes are not moving, not hissing, even not ready to bite the Jadav. Poor snakes, they had died of the heat. If only they had some shade to lie in. If flood this no trees place had some trees in it. Jadav. What is that? That time Jadav noticed that, whoa, what a poor snakes these are. Oh, these snakes unfortunately came to the bank because of Brahmaputra flood. But these all died. Why? Because of this extreme hot. There is no trees in that island. That is what these snakes are unable to bear that much of extreme hot, and they went to die. So Jadav started to thinking, because of this reason only these many snakes were died. So I have to do something. Today these snakes were died. Some other day some animals also come to this island, come through this flood. They may not die. So we have to do something to protect these animals. And he started some work. What work he started to protect all these animals? Let's we learn in our next class. Thank you.